What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. So y'all see today, well, we got a lot planned. So we taking the Monte Carlo, not Wifey Monte Carlo, we taking the white Monte Carlo, J Hall automotive car. Supposed to been dropped it off to get the little fender been repaired. Y'all know, been like that for a minute. So we going to do that. But while we do that, Wifey gonna drive her Monte Carlo and follow me. I think she gonna shoot a video too while she doing that. So you know y'all gonna have that coming. She finna take the first drive. And Emma, that's the name of the car. Cause I get asked on time too. People be asking her what's the name. Cause she named it after her aunt though. So that's the name. But she got it out. About to take it for the drive. And we're gonna take the old Monte Carlo and drop it out to J Hall. Then I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna show y'all how to work this bearing puller. This hammer, slide hammer, show you how to work that, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the bearing out on that side. I was trying to get the one out right here, then I stopped. It pulled the bearings out, man, the actual rollers, like it knocked the rollers out. So I still gotta get the race out of it, which that'll be simple. I gotta get the race out on this side, and I ain't want to be sliding it, cause wife's car right here. So when we get back, I'm gonna do all that. Then I move her car back, and then we're gonna come over here and hit this side. And I still ain't got a call yet from the axles, man. I hope I get them axles today, cause I need them. So we're gonna see what it do though, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna check. Right, y'all see where we at. My wife has drove her car. See, you ride like you got a Maybach. Yes. You ride slow motion, y'all. But J Hall about to get the old Monte Carlo right. Y'all see, y'all been saying it been like that for a while. I got this stuff, I gotta bring it over here though. But we just dropping it off. So he gonna get that right, fix the little door right there. So let y'all see the before. Then a little bit, y'all gonna see that. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we riding in old Emma, and Wifey going 53 miles per hour on the speed limit 55 with me at 60. She riding like she in a Maybach. Like a real man. 50, we going 53 miles per hour. When I was driving, I'm like, why is she riding so slow? Like she in a music video or something. Man, I'm way in front. I'm going 60. Y'all know I normally. It seemed like I was going this slow. You way back here. I'm going 60 miles per hour. I wasn't even speeding. I was going speed limit actually, just so she stay in sight. She going about 50, 45. I tell you what, I told she ain't used to that old school V8 power. She tried the truck, but the old school V8 feel different. But we just dropped the car off, finna get back to the house. I got some more stuff planned for y'all, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, checking back in, man. We about to go ahead and crank up our R&B. And drive R&B today, and me and wife are gonna drive both of these Gbody'S today. Cause Shell got a little football game. She cheerleading, so we gonna drive separate car, man, just so we can pull the Gbody'S out. But I got to get redemption, man, with this draggy with R&B. Cause last time, y'all know we cut off. We cut off last time. Cause the little wire issue. The wire had burned up. So we finna get some redemption, man. I'm about to put the draggy on R&B, man. We about to see, can we get this thing at least do a 9.0. on the hard tire. Cause I already distinguished this car works better. It go faster on hard tire. So I know that's backwards. But when you don't make a lot of power, it don't even matter. Cause from a straight standstill, this thing ain't even gonna spin the tire. It's just gonna go. Then this bad boy right here, I'm gonna get another hit on hard tire with John Jones. I gotta get them radials off of there. It been on radio for about a month or something, maybe 2 months. But I gotta get them radials off. Cause boy, I went a number on hard tire with John Jones. I said a nice little ramp. A nice ramp. I got it saved in, so I'm finna we gonna get some redemption. We gonna get some redemption, man. Like I said, I'm gonna put the dragging video in here too, so y'all can see. This car here ain't been wide, man. Even when it's dirty, it still be clean. I still ain't changed it wide. Or cleaned it up. Not changed it, but cleaned it up. But yeah, man, I'm about to get these bad boys a little clean and traffic together, boy. I tell y'all that. Cause the wifey look too clean going down that road today. When we dropped the Monte Carlo off. But make sure I'm better squeeze through here first of all. Might need to move her car over some. Camera had cut out, y'all. But I like that what we about to do. I'm about to get the dragger set up. I'm gonna move wifey car over a little bit more. Make sure. Man, never mind. I can get by. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man. We gonna be on the dragon. We jumping to the dragon next, so y'all stay tuned. Man, boy, looking at the gas. Ooh-wee. I'm looking ugly. We can't ride like that, man. I'm gonna have to go get some gas first. I'm actually gonna have to put some racing gas in this thing first. But I don't think I'll make it to the gas station. And I ain't trying to go get some gas, come back, and I do all that. So I'm gonna put some I'm gonna put a little race gas in here, about 2 gallons. Make sure we make it up there. Back from making the 2 hits. I'm on the cell phone right now, man. It probably a little shaky, but it mount be shaky. I left the GoPro, but I don't know, man. I ain't see the ticket or whatever, but we're gonna take it out when I get back. Well, at this point, y'all already seen it. I ain't saw it. Wait, I ain't listen to me line. But we get back to the crib, man. We're gonna take it out. Let's see if we. Hey, y'all, the whole mount just fell down, man. The whole mount fell down, man. It came out the window, but like I was saying, man, we get back, I'm gonna see what it did. Y'all already see what it did. I think the first one said like a 930 or something, but we had some wheel spin and all that good stuff. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get back to the house, so I'll catch y'all in a bit. So I'm back, and I just looked at the info, man. R&B, what you doing today? I told folk, man, this thing here a cruiser, boy. This a real cruiser. Man, that thing went a 980 the first hit. But I kind of figured that, cause I short shifted. I was like, man, let me see what the car like if you short shifted. And I short shifted it too much. It obviously don't like that. It needs some more RPM. But like I said, I super short shifted it. You can I went to high gear just like that. You can hear it in the video. 980 with a 360 foot. I can't remember. Then the second one, I shifted it regular, but we had a decent amount of wheel speed. I mean, not wheel speed, wheel spin, and it went a 960 or something. Way off, man. This car R&B done went 930s. Went 930 last time. Oh, I figured this car, I can get it to 890, man. I just want this car to 890. That's all I wanted to do. With this setup, I got to get the car to 890 before I pull it, man. I got to get it to 890. It went a 940. I'm gonna have to try it on the slicks at the track, man. I'm gonna have to try it on the slicks and front runner, man. Maybe that'll do it. Maybe it just don't work good at the track in the road, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it at the track, man. I'm gonna take this thing Thursday. And I know I told y'all, man, we were gonna come here with that car, man. I ain't missing that thing today, call. I got the call. Well, I got the call. I called and checked on my axles. They ain't gonna be ready today, so I'm like, man, ain't no need to me fool with no bearings and all that other stuff, man. So I think I told y'all gonna fool with it at the beginning. I can't remember what I told y'all today, but I ain't fooling with it. For what? So now I'm gonna be pushing it. Crunch time, man. I hope they get me them axles tomorrow, cause they're gonna be the day before the track. And I need that thing put back together. Luckily it ain't nothing that gotta be tested or nothing, just putting the axles back in. But point is, I need it. I need them axles tomorrow. Early too, cause I ain't trying to be out here late. Or messing with the car the day of, cause I like to just load up and that be it. Tomorrow. That's why I said I really wanted my axles today, so I could have put the tires on. I could have went ahead and put the slicks and the front runners on and had it ready. Then, you know, come the track day, all I gotta do is load up. Cause like I told y'all, I'm taking 2 cars. I'm taking R&B too. I'm gonna get Cuzzo to drive R&B down there, and I'm gonna pull Dolo on the trailer. Then we're gonna take Dolo Middle Georgia by itself. But man, we had a little fun today. With the drag it. But like I said, man, I ain't gonna cut y'all off yet. Man, me and Wifey gonna drive the Gbody'S today. So you know, look like something in that hood, man. That hood popped up. Like something right there. It is. It just look like that. I know they be cut. You have to cut some of the stuff. You have to trim some of these fiberglass hood when you get them. But that bad boy like it. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. But that's alright. R&B slow right now. It's a cruiser. They're cool. They're gonna have a little ump when I put that new motor in there though. That stroker. We put that stroke in there. They're gonna have a little ump. It's gonna go in the 8s then. I guarantee that. And it's still gonna be very reliable. Cause it's still gonna be the slowest one in the fleet. Let me see. Still gonna be the slowest one in the fleet. I'm trying to get this leaf out. But it's gonna have a little more ump next time. So it's all good. It's all good. We just having fun. But I gotta start back driving my guy John Jones, man. I've been neglecting it. I gotta start back testing it, man. I ain't even got it all the way dialed in. It coming the end of the year, man. Finna be grand finale. I'm gonna turn that thing loose one time. Gonna be grand finale. Let it eat. Get the real deal ticket. I already got some nice ones, I should say. But get the real deal ticket then. I'm gonna show everybody what type of time that thing real on. Then meats. We hitting meats next year, cause meats gonna be on demon time. I already know. And then like I said, you got brown coat, just chilling, brown coat and ready, finna get the nitrous kit, put on him. So we're gonna be moving and grooving just a little bit. So after I take Dolo to the track this week and go ahead and hose Dolo down at the track, we're gonna go ahead and take this kit off of Dolo, and then it'll be going on brown coat. They're gonna take brown coat to the track, cut it loose a couple times on that bottle, and see if we play around with somebody or something. We're gonna see what it do. Same thing with Dolo. We're gonna see if we can play around with somebody and see what happens. End of the year, man. Time to go out with a bang. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when me and Wifey get in traffic. See y'all in a minute. We about to take off. Teeny right.
I want to do burnout.
Burnout? We ain't doing. Look at this. She already asked for burnout. Can't do no burnout right now. We gotta get set to the game. So we finna ride, y'all. Gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. See if we about to ride. Let her get in the front cause she rides slow. Alright, We checking back in. We just got back from riding, hitting shell game, all that other stuff, man. We had the Gbody'S in traffic today. We didn't get a chance to ride like that, but you know, we did a little riding. So it was a good little day overall. Tomorrow, hope to be putting Dolo back together and shooting some content with that. I should be shooting multiple video tomorrow and all of that, cause we got stuff to do, man. We got stuff to do. I gotta get Dolo to the track, get it track ready. Then we're gonna be putting these things on right there. The new slicks, the new old slick, y'all know I bought from but the new wheels. So we're gonna be putting them on, front runners. Put those on Friday. And after that, we back on these. Time to get to work. So yeah, man, I believe that's gonna do it for today's video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it and all of that. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.